Shabbat Shalom. This week's Torah portion is called Parshas Vayakhel. Vayakhel means to gather. A kahal or kehillah is a gathering of Jewish people, and for what purpose? For Moshe to share with the Jewish people what was needed to build the Mishkan, the sanctuary in the desert. What was this sanctuary? So we learned a few weeks ago in the Torah portion, V'asuli migdash v'shachanti b'sacham, make for me a sanctuary, and I will dwell within you. Okay, when the Jewish people would have the sanctuary, literally God would be with them. What's this idea of God dwelling in us? We talk about the Shechinah a lot, the indwelling of God. Where do you have the Shechinah? When the Jewish people study Torah, the Shechinah is there. When 3 judges sit to reveal God's judgments in the world, the Shechinah is there. When people pray together, the 10 men, the Shechinah is there. When a husband and wife love each other, the Shechinah is there. Okay, so then what was special about the Shechinah that you didn't have? The Shechinah was the real thing. The Shechinah made it possible for all the other times when the Shechinah becomes in the world. The Shechinah is this idea of when you really could experience divinity. That happened when the Mishkan was built. Right? What was needed to be able to draw down this level of the Shechinah, this level of God with no divisions, this level of God with no levels, this level of God that's literally an actus pshuta, a simple unity. To get there, the Jewish people also had to be on a simple unity. They had to be in a place where there was no divisions, no separation between Jews. They were connected like a family is connected. Okay? That was the preparation for making the Mishkan when the Jewish people were unified. And that's why the portion begins with the words Vayakhel. What does it mean to you and I? Right? When we want to get the real thing, when we want to draw down into the world in a way that we can feel it, we want to know the level of the Mishkan in our lives. How do we do it? Where does it start? It starts when a person is unified with the other Jewish people, when he's connected to the other people in a way that there's no up and down, there's no left and right. It's simply no levels, no divisions. We are one people, whether it's in your synagogue, whether it's in your family, whether it's between spouses. That's the way to bring the Shechinah. Shabbat Shalom.